Me you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ella. Happy birthday to you. Ella. Yay! Yeah, open it up. What do you got?
Here,
Mommy?
let's open it up. Ready?
Yep, you tear it up.
Oh!
What
Look
you
at
got?
this! A little
Oh!
car! That's great!
Oh!
Isn't that nice? It's just like the little ones, but it's bigger. Look, I'll show you. Look, it's just like the little ones, but it's bigger.
Oh,
It's a big giant one.
for big girls.
Right! Mm-hmm.
It's got wheels and stuff, yeah.
There's the little
There's my
one.
little one. And it goes with that one. You
Yeah,
want that one, Mom?
thank you.
You take that one.
Here, you want to open this one?
What is it?
I don't know.
Open it.
I wrapped them so long ago, I don't even know.
Uh-oh. What is it?
Oh, it's a little tiny see and say.
Oh.
So you squeeze her wings together. Wow. That's cool.
This is how you do it. You put her wings together like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Nice. What else you got? Let's see. Oh, look, honey, it's your own camera.
Oh, I got a camera now.
Look at that, it's your own camera.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
You got your own camera, honey. Huh. That's awesome.
What else you get?
I don't
Nina?
know. And carrot?
Great picture.
Here's some new books.
Oh.
Look at this one. Good night, little. Ooh.
Oh,
Look
that's
at all those pretty
nice.
pictures. Nice, huh? May all your dreams come true, it says. Oh, you might have to keep that one in your baby book. There's another book. Oh, look. Baby Elmo.
Baby Elmo.
I want my camera. This does stuff. Yeah, that's cool.
Hey, Bert. Hey, Bert.
Here's another one.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, give me my
Yeah,
camera.
get my camera.
Yay, Ella.
It's the one Dad has to get out of there with some snips.
Happy first birthday, Ella Bree.
Yay! How old is Ella? How old is Ella?